Why it's not coming? Yes, good morning, dear students. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
morning.
How are you, ma'am? Good morning, ma'am.
I'm fine. How are you, my dear?
Fine, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Are you remember me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. You may be surprised to see me here today, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can you guess why I am here?
No. Teacher is leave.
Teacher is leave. Which teacher is leave?
Dixon, ma'am.
Dixon ma'am. Dixon ma'am is handling which subject for you?
Yes. Science.
Science. Okay. So, uh, all are present.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Before that, let me check my audio. Okay. See, am I audible to you?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Louder? Louder?
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good. So, you all know when we start a class, what we want to do, right? Yeah, after the teacher admits you for the class, what you should do? Check the audio, video, everything, and if it is fine, what you have to do? What you have to do? Unmute or mute, right? Mute. Okay. Mute your audio. Everybody. Everybody. Ashram. Hi, how are you? Ashram.
Fine, ma'am.
Mute your audio. Okay. Everybody mute it. I can see. Everybody should mute your audio. Then only we can take the class. So, can I start? Are you all settled down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Everything is fine for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Setting position, your audio, your video, everything, books also.
Yes.
Okay, as you were waiting for the science class, I think everybody have their science textbook and papers also for writing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Every time keep it with you, okay? See,
Yes, ma'am.
Rihan, mute your
Yes.
audio. I think some echoes are producing. Okay, we can avoid that if everybody is muting it. Ashwant, where are you? I can't see. I can see only your chair. Come back, please. So, good morning, with my dear students. I think most of you know me, but let me introduce myself. I am Sangeeta Shanai, handling science for you for the online classes. Okay, here today onwards, I will be your science teacher for the online classes. Okay, I hope everybody will cooperate with me. I know most of the students I taught it in the first standard. I know them very well, but some new faces I can see. By after, I think after a few weeks, I will be able to be familiar with those also. Okay, can I start?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, first of all, I will call some students, okay? Hiba Fatima, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay. All others, don't feel it bad if I'm not calling you. It is my first class, right? When you reach in the sixth standard, it is my first class. So I want to find out. Some students I already know. Sometimes that names will be, I will call them, okay? Others don't feel it bad. I will call some after some days. Okay. Everybody mute your audio. Those who joined late, they also, I request you mute your audio. Hiba, can you tell me the name of the chapter which you are learning in these days?
Components of food.
Components of food. Am I right? Components of food. Okay. So now mute your audio. Then I will call Akira. Akira, hi Akira. Akira.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So you are learning. In these days, you are learning about components of food. So let me get some information about food. So I want to ask you one question. Are you ready to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why you are eating food? Why you are eating food?
For getting health.
Okay. Let the Akira to answer my question. Why you are eating food? Do you have your breakfast today?
Yes.
Okay, good. Why you are eating food?
For getting energy.
Very good. With the energy, what you will do?
We can
Yes.
play.
You can play. Okay, very good. Adish, mute your audio.
Can I tell?
1 minute. You can play. You can do any work.
Works.
Yes, very good. You can play. You can do any
Any
work.
work.
What all activities you want to do.
That all
If you
we can do.
have the energy, then only you can.
We can
Akira,
do.
unmute it. Mute it. Then only we can do these all things. So we need food to get energy. So let me ask you some others. Before that, Rihan,
Yes. Yes.
yes, you mute your audio. Please mute it. See, I can hear now also some echo sounds. We can avoid that echo sound if you are muting your audio. Okay. Everybody should mute your audio. Please check. Am I audible to you all? It's
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
now-
ma'am.
Okay. So, Rihan, unmute it. So, Akira told it that if we eat food, we will get energy. If we do not eat food, we won't get any energy. You know that when you play roller skating, right? You are a skating something champion, right? Yeah. So when you are playing that all, if your stomach is empty, you won't get energy to play. I know that. If you eat something, you will get energy to play. So tell me, what is there in the food that gives you energy?
Protein.
Proteins are there. Very good. Only proteins.
Carbohydrate.
Very
Carbohydrate.
good. Very good.
Nutrients.
Okay.
Nutrients.
Nutrients.
I asked Rehan, I will give each one a chance. Please be patient. Okay. So Rehan told me in the food, proteins are there, carbohydrates, then
Minerals.
minerals. Okay, very good. Minerals, then
Vitamin.
vitamins. How to pronounce it? Vitamins.
Vitamins.
Okay. Vitamins. So fats. This whole thing. Yes, who is calling? Rehan, mute your audio. Who is calling me? Yes, you can tell. Alan Siju. Okay, Alan. What you want to see? Okay, tell me. Tell me, Alan. Okay. I can't hear your voice. So, Rehan told in the food which we eat contains proteins, carbohydrates, then minerals, vitamins, and fats. These five essential substances are present in our food. These substances, essential substances gives us energy. These essential substances are required for our growth and also for the maintenance of our body. So these 5 essential substances, we can call it as a common noun, common name. Ashinanda, can you tell me what is the common name for these 5 essential substances present in the food? One common name is there. Yes, who can say it? Just raise your hand. Yes, you can.
Components of food.
Components of food, okay. That is not, is one particular name is there.
Nutrients.
Very good. That is nutrients. Okay, that is nutrients. So, the food which we eat contains nutrients. That means carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins. So these all are essential for the growth and repairment of our body. You learned it, right? So today, after this you learn, today we can see what do various nutrients do for our body. What do various nutrients do for our body? See, now also we can hear some disturbing sounds. Am I right? Okay, what you should do? Everybody check your audio, please. Okay, so we can see carbohydrates. Okay, how we will see carbohydrates? Carbohydrates. Anybody know about it? What is it? Is a nutrient. Okay, can you give me some information about carbohydrates? Hiba. Okay, Hiba. Okay, very good. Energy. It gives us energy. The food which contain carbohydrates can produce energy for our body. Okay, not only carbohydrates, fats also. The food which contain carbohydrates and fats can produce energy for our body. So, they are called energy giving foods. Okay, carbohydrates and fats. These are the nutrients that can give us energy. So the food which gives us, which can produce carbohydrates and fats, we can call it as energy giving food. So let me ask one question. Whom I will call Sion. Unmute you. Yes, very good. So foods that gives energy, what we can call them? Foods that gives us energy, what we can call them?
Protein.
Sorry, it's not correct. Foods that gives energy.
Carbohydrates.
Okay, that is carbohydrate is a nutrient that gives us energy. My question is, when we eat some food, we will get carbohydrates and fats. That means carbohydrates and fats can give energy to our body. Understood, Sion? Sion?
Yes.
Okay, so the food containing fats and carbohydrates, what we can call them? One special name is there. Energy giving foods. Understood? Energy giving foods. So, what are energy giving foods? Foods containing fats and carbohydrates, or we can say foods that can give us energy. Or foods that can give carbohydrates and fats are called energy giving foods. Yeah. Okay. So let me ask you one more question. Sri Lashmi. Sri Lashmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me food containing fats and carbohydrates are called,
Energy giving food.
yeah, very good, energy giving food. So now we can see which all foods can give us energy. So I think Riha,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me about any food that can give us carbohydrates and fats? Or
Can you say one more question?
yes, sure. Iba, please mute your audio. Okay. Riha, uh, the food, which all food can give energy or which all food contain fats and carbohydrates?
Vegetables.
Vegetables are there. Carbohydrate. Yes, who know that answer? Yes, somebody. Yes,
Right.
okay. Ashwan. Okay, tell me.
Sweet potato.
Potato. Okay, potato. Okay, that is
Right.
it. Okay,
Right.
but rice. Very good, very good. So everybody mute your audio. Riha, Adishesh, mute your audio.
Bajra.
Okay, Bajra. Okay, mute it now. Mute it. Okay. So
Ma'am, mango.
okay, I will show you some pictures of some food that gives us carbohydrates, from which we get the carbohydrates. Okay, are you ready to see the screen? So before that,
Yes.
I request Abel, then Ashwan, mute your audio, please. Okay, here, Karan, switch on your video and mute your audio. Ishaq and Karen, sorry, not Karen, okay. Karen and Ishaq, switch on your video, I want to see you. Addus, I want your picture. I want your video, okay? Yeah, very good. So, now I will share one screen, okay? You have to check it. I think you can see this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Let me take it, okay? Please wait. It will take some time. Okay, can you see one picture? Dear students?
Yes.
Yes, you can see.
Yes.
Let me bring it to your. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Pranav
Yes,
Rajiv,
ma'am.
can you
Ma'am.
see it?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Okay. After that, you mute your audio. Just see, you can see a lot of food items here, right? Food substances. These all food substances provide carbohydrates to our body. When we eat this food, after digestion, we will get, our body will get carbohydrates. If we get carbohydrates, we will have lots of energy in our body so that we can do whatever we need. Okay, so rice, example for food substances that can produce carbohydrates are rice, wheat, bajra, maize, then potato, sweet potato, sugar cane, then papaya, melon, mangoes, these all are, you can see it here, right? Am I right? Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so food substances that can give carbohydrates to our body. Rice, mainly rice, wheat, bajra, and maize. Then potato, sweet potato, sugar. When you eat sugar, you will get lots of energy, right? That is why it is advised you not to eat too much chocolates, that also too much sweet items, because if you are eating too much sweet items, that will produce a lot of energies in you. Okay, too much is also not good. So if you are feeling very tired, you can have some sweets or you can have some chocolate. Then some fruits also are producing carbohydrates. The
Banana, apple,
yeah,
papaya.
yeah, these all contain sugar, right? These
Yes.
all fruits contain sugar. From that sugar, we will get one carbohydrate. Okay? Is
Yes.
it clear, my dear students?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so
Yes, ma'am.
okay, let me try to show you another picture of it. Okay. Okay. So, dear
Okay.
student Karen, Sebastian Armstrong, switch on your video. I want to see you. Okay. Then we can see fats, sources of fat. What do you mean by fat? What it gives in our body? If fat is there, what we will get from it?
Energy.
Energy. Fats are like carbohydrates,
But
Okay. Sebastian, mute your audio.
ma'am.
Yes, Sebastian. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So, fats like carbohydrates also will produce. You can't see.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes. Tell
Ma'am?
me. Yes, yes. Tell
I
me.
cannot see.
You can't see.
see. I cannot see.
Okay. Let me see. Let me ask to others. All others, can you see me?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Sebastian.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I got the answer. Sebastian, please check the your internet connection. Okay, sometimes it may be slow, little bit slow. So, fats. Fats also like carbohydrate. It also can produce energy. These are the quick source of energy. Fats are quick source of energy for our body. From where we get this fats? Ashram, Ashram, can you tell me from where we get this fats?
Fats.
Fat. Think it. From where we will get this fats? From the food, okay, that I know. Which type of food you have to choose to get? Ashram, tell me. All others, please listen. All others, please listen. Riha, please listen. Let Ashram to tell me that answer. Just think. Ashram, just think. All others can also use this time for thinking. Ashram.
Milk.
Okay, from milk. Okay, from milk and milk products. Are you eating butter? Are you eating butter?
No, ma'am.
No, you don't like butter. Okay. Sometimes cheese.
Cheese. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, cheese, butter, then
It's
milk products.
Can I tell ma'am? Meat.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
meat.
Meat. Very good. Meat. Eggs. Okay. These
Fish.
all
Fish.
contain
Fish.
okay. So these all substances, these all we get it from where we get, from where we
animals.
animals. From the animals.
Animals.
Okay. So
And plants.
Ashram, please mute your audio. Okay. Somebody is saying about plants. Who is that? Who is that? Just tell me first. Please. Yes, I can't see, but you can tell me that answer. Well, you first tell your name. First tell your name, please. You can't hear. So,
What is the question?
as Ashram told, the milk, butter, then meat, eggs. These all we get from the animals. These all we get from the animals. And not only we are getting fats from animals.
No, ma'am, plants.
Yes, we are getting fats from animals also. From animals also. So, Alicia, can you tell me, Alicia, unmute. Can you tell me which all substances from which we get plants? Okay, the substances which we get it from plants, these fats. Alicia, can you tell me some plant sources of fats? Plant sources from which all substances?
Can I tell?
Yes. If you are ready, you can tell. Okay, tell
Soya
me.
bean.
Soya bean. Okay, very good. Then
Beans.
beans. Okay.
Gram.
Groundnuts. Different types of nuts, right? From
Cabbage.
okay, we will get fats from different types of nuts. See, these all produced from the plants. We are getting these all things from the plant, like groundnut, then sunflower seeds, coconut, then mustard seeds, soya bean. These all we are getting from the plants. From these all seeds, it contains its oil. Soybean oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, groundnut oil. These all are there in each of these seeds. So if we eat that all thing, that we will get fats also. Okay, so fats we are getting from plants and also from the animals. From the plants we get groundnuts. If we eat groundnuts, different types of nuts, we will get lots of fats in our body. If you are using oil for cooking, that also, from that also you will get the fat. That is why it is advised you to avoid too much oily food substances, right? Don't use too much oils, because if we are eating too much oil, our body will, in our body, fats will be stored. Then we will become very
Mayonnaise.
yeah.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Okay.
So many oil.
So don't use too much of oil.
Oil.
But for if we want to get energy, we should use oil, but it should be in a controlled manner. Okay. Now I think next one is protein. Okay, that is protein. These proteins are needed for the growth and repairment of our body. If you want a long hair, long and thick hair, you should eat protein-rich foods. Protein-rich foods. Understood? Not really. These are called, the protein-rich foods are called body-building foods. These are called body-building foods. So, the food which contain proteins. The food which contain proteins are called body-building foods. Body-building foods. Okay, so you will get long and thick hair if you are eating so much protein-rich food. For example, egg white. It is a very rich source of protein. But if you are a vegetarian, if you are not eating any eggs or meat, you will get protein if you are using some buttermilk. Okay, so buttermilk is also rich in proteins. Then milk and milk products, egg, fish, meat, these all are animal sources of proteins. Animal sources of protein. Understood?
Proteins.
Yeah, milk is from animal, right? So proteins which we get from animals, those are animal sources. And other one, pulses like green gram, peas, beans, soya bean. These all also can produce a lot of proteins. See, the doctors are advising you to eat that germinated seeds, right? Germinated, when we put green grams in water, after soaking it, if we are keeping it for 12 hours, after sprouts will be produced. Sprouted foods. So we need, if you are eating sprouted foods like green gram, so a whole grams we can sprout it and we can use it. Okay, these all are rich in proteins.
Rich in proteins.
Who is repeating after me? Okay, so you have to keep a food which are sprouted. You can use it as sprouted vegetables. Okay, that can produce a lot and lot of proteins. Up to this, I want to wind up my today's class. I hope everybody understood today's portion.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Today I
Thank
will
you.
with
Thank you, ma'am.
okay. No all
Thanks,
should
ma'am.
read
Thank
the
you,
textbook.
ma'am.
All should
Thank
read
you,
the
ma'am.
textbook.
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you,
very
ma'am.
much.
Welcome, ma'am.